Prince Harry's privacy lawsuit against Associated Newspapers Limited, (ANL), should be thrown out as it was brought far too late, the High Court has heard from the publisher's lawyers. The royal is amongst a number of high-profile figures, including Sir Elton John, Sadie Frost and Baroness Doreen Lawrence, who have brought claims against the Daily Mail's publisher over allegations it obtained information through illegal or unlawful means, an accusation ANL has denied. Lawyers for ANL have said the challenges have no real prospects of succeeding at a trial and argued. However, the legal team representing the Duke and others have hit back, saying ANL's bid is hopeless, plainly inappropriate, and suggestive of a tactical gamble to avoid a full trial. Harry and other celebrities such as Elizabeth Hurley and Sadie Frost allege that ANL hired private investigators to place listening devices inside cars, blag private records, and access and record private phone conversations over a period starting from 1993. He added that some of the claims were barred due to the legal period of limitation, saying, "Whatever claims the claimants had or may have had have been brought far too late." Mr. Beltrami said in written arguments that the privacy claims against ANL could have been brought before October 2016 and that almost the entirety of cases could with reasonable diligence have been discovered before that date. Prince Harry has openly criticized the British press for their practices in the Sussex Netflix docu-series and in his memoir Spare, published in January. In a witness statement released on Tuesday, Harry has alleged that journalists at ANL are criminals with journalistic powers, which should concern every single one of us. ANL have in turn accused Harry of being obsessed with its publications, saying his allegations are untrue, inflammatory and deeply offensive. In his statement the prince wrote, "If the defendant, the owner of various national newspapers, including the Daily Mail which, by its own definition, is the most influential and popular newspaper in the UK, can evade justice without there being a trial of my claims, then what does that say about the industry as a whole and the consequences for our great country? Unfair is not a big enough word to describe the fact that Associated is trying at this early stage to prevent me from bringing my claim. I do not see why Associated should get away with something they have covered up and lied about for however many years." He added, "There is obviously a personal element to bringing this claim, but it is not just about me. Associated Newspapers Limited, who have had claims of privacy